Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal, the channel where we simplify recipes. I'm your host Nitin and I'm again back with this fantastic recipe. It is almost the year end and this would be a type of recipe which would be perfect for the New Year's Eve or New Year party if you are doing it at home this time. So it's going to be a chicken recipe, but before I tell you what recipe it is, make sure you press that red button to subscribe to the channel, press the thumb icon to like our recipes and press that bell icon so whenever we do fantastic recipes like this, you get an instant notification. So what are we cooking today? It is going to be an easy fried chicken. I know all of you are always worried, if we do fried chicken at home, it's going to be a lot of oil. You will not know whether it is cooked from inside or not. So today I'm going to show you some simple tricks so that you can do this chicken in a very less oil and it can cook also instantaneously. But first thing, we need to do a special cut on the chicken and we need to marinate it. So let us see what all we need for our easy fried chicken. So for our easy fried chicken, we will be using this drumstick. So these are around 500 grams. There are 4 nice thick drumsticks. So now I tell you how to butcher them to make them easily cook. Now when you look at the drumstick, you have all the meat which is fixed from here. So first thing first, take a sharp knife and give one circular cut like this to loosen all the meat. So once this is nicely loosened, just give a smooth cut and make the top nice and smooth. Now you can pull the meat down. Now next thing you need to do is give a straight cut on the bone here. Like this. And like this. This will loosen all the meat. So you can open your chicken drumstick like this and you can cut bit of this bone as well. So this is your chicken is prepped like this. So what this is going to do is it's going to make the marination seep in very well inside the chicken, and also when you are frying it you can use much lesser oil to fry it. So similarly we will prep all the 4 chicken drumstick. So all 4 drumstick we have prepped it the way we want. We have removed the meat on one side. Now we'll keep this aside and let us make the marination for our easy fried chicken. So what we are going to use is we are going to use juice of a 1 chopped onion. We are not using the onion but we are only using the juice. For that I have chopped 1 onion and I have added some salt and kept it for around 10-15 minutes. So you just have to give a squeeze and get that juice in the pan in which you are going to do the marination. So when you add a salt to the onion, it gives a lot of juices. So we will be using those juices. So that was a 1 medium size onion juices that I have added to the marination. Next thing we will add is 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. In a mortar pestle I have chopped around 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. So we will add that. One tablespoon of mixed herb. 1 teaspoon of mustard. 1 tablespoon of hot sauce or a red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and that's a homemade garam masala. So I'll give you the link in the description with the recipe how to make that garam masala, so you can look at that video as well. Salt to taste. Now give this a good mix. Now look at that delicious looking marination. We will be marinating our chicken drumstick with it. So it's time to add the chicken drumsticks. Give it a good mix. Let that good marination coat the chicken all over. So cover and let us refrigerate for 1 hour at least, or you can keep it for more hours also, 3 to 4 hours, and just remove it out 30 minutes before you want to fry it. So friends, our chicken has been marinated for almost 1 hour now, and I have got some seasoned flour. So basically this is refined flour or a maida. I have added a pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, and we're going to roll our marinated chicken in this before frying. Okay, so quick roll in the flour, that will help to hold the marination well. Once your oil is hot, just add the chicken pieces like this, shake off the excess flour and keep the flame on a higher side. And those onion juices will make chicken nice and tender. So let it fry around 4 to 5 minutes on each side. In total, it should not take more than 10 minutes to fry. So friend, that is absolutely delicious, easy fried chicken is ready, and look at it, how gorgeous it is looking, nicely cooked, and we have just decorated them like the chicken lollipops, and look at it, the softness. It is very soft and tender. Let me taste and show you how it is. Wow. That crispy coating of spices and very soft and tender chicken. This is a type of a recipe, is a must for a party and very easy. So friends, if you like that delicious easy fried chicken recipe, make sure you press that thumb icon to like it. If you are new to the channel, press that red button to subscribe and press the bell icon, so whenever we do fantastic recipes like this or whenever we put any travel video, you get an instant notification from Spice Dhamal channel. And it is the end of 2021. We will be going into 2022. So wishing a very happy and a prosperous year from Spice Dhamal team to all of you. Happy New Year. Stay happy, stay healthy, and enjoy cooking throughout the next year as well.